Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hey everyone, welcome to Madhura's Recipe. Today I am making Akki Roti. Akki Roti is basically a nice and scrumptious pancake made using rice flour. This is a very staple breakfast is prepared in Karnataka. Very quick and makes awesome breakfast or evening tea time snack. So to begin with, here I have 1.5 cup of rice flour. In that, go ahead and add in half cup of finely chopped onion. Now, adding onion is optional, you can just skip that out. Half cup of shredded carrot. Lots of finely chopped coriander leaves. Half cup of freshly grated coconut. A teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds, salt for taste, and a tablespoon of green chilies. So this is about 4 to 5 green chilies that's been just coarsely ground into a blender jar. Mix this everything really well, as this carrot has a lot of moisture in it. So let's first combine all this dry and wet ingredients first. After everything is well mixed in, add in water little at a time and continue to mix it to form this into a semi-soft dough. Alright, so over here this dough part is ready, and if you see the consistency, this is a kind of semi-soft dough, not too stiff and too soft. So take small portion of dough from this mixture. So one way is you can directly make this into a tawa, but in that case you need to use 2 tawa or 2 pans, as it gets heat up. So to avoid that, either you can use any nice and clean napkin, or here I have this foil, aluminum foil. So add in a bit of oil so that this dough doesn't stick to the foil, or even you can use some any Ziploc bag or any plastic paper if you have, and just pat this to make this into a nice and thin paratha. Now if you want, you can also use rolling pin so that it spreads out nice and evenly, like so. Now just make 2 small holes. What this does is it helps allow the steam to escape and helps in nice and evenly roasting of this paratha or roti. Paratha is done. Also pan is nice and hot over here. So again we'll add in some oil, just spread that evenly. Now lift this foil and gently pull it over and place this paratha on a tawa or pan. Cover this and cook this covered for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so this has been cooked covered for about 4 minutes now. Let's open the cover. Wow, look at that. Give it a flip. Superb. Look at the crisp it has got. Lovely. Now let this cook from other side as well for another 3 to 4 minutes. And this has been roasted from other side as well for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's take this out. Superb. Look at this. Lovely. Now similarly, I am going to follow the same step, same process. Add some oil. Take this roti. Cook this covered. And here this Akki Roti looks super delicious and scrumptious. You can serve this with coconut chutney, tomato chutney, chili chutney or onion garlic chutney, or it tastes good just as it is, as we have added green chilies, cumin seeds in that, plus there are some veggies. It gets this awesome crispy texture and I simply love it. Lovely. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post new recipe, you will always be the first to get informed about that. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.